EssayChecker AI has just hit the market, and today we're diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing AI software. Whether you're an educator, student, or professional writer, you're going to want to know what this tool brings to the table. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how this software works and if it's worth your time. Before we jump in, if you're curious about trying EssayChecker AI, you can get a free trial from the first link in the description below. No commitment, just check it out for yourself. So, let's get straight into it. First off, EssayChecker AI is designed to make your writing flawless. This software uses advanced AI algorithms to help you not only spot errors, but also improve your writing's clarity, tone, and overall structure. What's amazing is how quickly it works. No more sifting through long-winded grammar checkers or wasting time manually proofreading. It finds mistakes faster and more accurately, saving you a lot of effort. But here's the kicker. It's not just about grammar. EssayChecker AI goes a step further by analyzing your writing style. It identifies overused words, sentence structures, and even offers suggestions to make your content more engaging. This is a huge advantage, especially if you're creating content at scale and need to maintain a consistent voice. Now, one thing that sets EssayChecker AI apart from other tools is its plagiarism detection. It scans your document against a massive database of online content, helping you ensure that your work is 100% original. This is huge for academic papers or professional reports where integrity matters most. And unlike some other tools, EssayChecker gives you a detailed report of where any potential plagiarism might exist, so you can fix it immediately. Another cool feature, EssayChecker AI's customization options. You can adjust the software settings to focus on specific aspects of your writing. Whether you need more help with tone or clarity, you can tailor it to your needs. It's a flexible tool for any writer, regardless of experience. The user interface is also incredibly intuitive. No need to spend hours figuring out how to navigate. From the moment you open the software, you'll notice how streamlined and simple it is. Plus, it supports multiple file types, so you can upload Word documents, PDFs, or even text directly into the app. Now, let's talk pricing. Many AI tools charge high fees, but EssayChecker AI offers a free version that's packed with enough features to give you a good sense of what it can do. Of course, the premium version unlocks even more powerful features like deeper analysis and more extensive plagiarism checks, but you won't be left empty-handed with the free version. Finally, EssayChecker AI is constantly evolving. This is a newly released software, but it's already getting frequent updates. As AI technology continues to improve, you can expect this tool to get even better. That's one of the reasons I'm recommending it. It's going to grow with your writing needs. So, is EssayChecker AI the best new AI software out there? For anyone looking to improve their writing quickly and efficiently, it's definitely a top contender. If you're serious about making your content flawless, this tool is worth checking out. As always, I've tested hundreds of AI tools and included my recommended picks in the description below. These are the ones I personally trust to boost productivity and creativity, and yes, you can try them all for free. If you're ready to dive into EssayChecker AI, the first link below will take you to their free trial. Don't wait, check it out today, and see if this software lives up to the hype for your writing needs.